What's good, YouTube? It's me, Jaffe Bear. Today's video, we're gonna go downtown, try out a pizza vending machine. I'm gonna go pick up my boy just now, try out 2 different flavors. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have anything like this. The pizza machine makes the pizza and then puts it in a box and gives it to you. So it should be pretty interesting, especially now. We'll give you guys our opinion on it. It'll be a little some video for this week. You know what it do, baby.
What it do, baby?
Yeah, you already know.
But yeah, so I'm gonna go get them right now and we'll see how it is. Alright guys, we made it to the pizza place. So I got Matt.
What's going on, guys?
So have you ever been here before?
No, never tried it before.
Alright, we'll give it a try. Different flavors. We'll switch it over the camera. So there's different flavors, or I should say different toppings. Might be a little loud because of construction. If you know Toronto, it's always in construction. So, which one are you getting? I'll get
Probably with the barbecue chicken.
Alright. So you can get it cold or hot?
Something with the hot pizza.
So you guys can see here, they're making the pizza. It comes out of here. Made with all natural ingredients. Alright, pizza's almost done.
Oh, it's steaming.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, it looks good.
It smells pretty good. It looks fresh too.
It does.
Alright, I'm gonna order mine. I'll get the cheeseburger. Alright, we got back home. It was raining like crazy, so we just decided to eat it inside the crib. So I'll give it up to Matt right now to see what he thinks about it.
Okay, oh shit, wait, I wasn't aware of that. I wasn't aware that was happening right now. I got the barbecue chicken.
I give it a different...
It's a different kind of pizza. I got some barbecue chicken on it, some bacon.
So good. So good and tasty.
The crust is pretty nice too, to be honest with you. It's crispy. I'm gonna go for my first bite. It's alright. Could be actually crispier now that I'm thinking about it. Honestly, for 13 bucks, I would have rather went to pizza. I'm a little bit disappointed. At the same time, I never had my hopes up because, like, you're getting this pizza from a machine. You know what I mean? You can't.
Honestly, the way they put the pizza is like right in front of the club. If you're from Toronto, you know the street Adelaide is like a whole bunch of clubs. So I'm assuming they're hoping you turn out of your mind and you're just hungry. So I guess plus it's like an interactive thing. So you just, you know, you're bored plus you're turnt.
At 2 a.m. after a night out at the club, exactly what you want. You wait less than 5 minutes, you can get your pizza. That's it, the munchies.
Yeah. Alright, try mine.
Oh, you want me to try yours? Yeah, I'm going for the biggest slice. Yours smells pretty good, to be honest with you. Oh man, yours is better.
Ah, he was talking mad shit.
Yeah, yours is better. A lot better. No, this one's good. This one's proper.
Damn, alright. Alright, so I'm gonna try out my pizza. See, Matt was kind of disappointed. So I'm gonna try the bottom is like... You need hot sauce. If it's not hot, I don't want it.
Ah, tell him again.
Alright, let me see. Honestly, it's not that good.
Nah, it's not. It's not. It's really not, man.
Like, I could probably get the same quality pizza from the freezer department.
I can understand why it's there. It's a great location because it's right off of Adelaide, right off the clubs. And like, dude, at 2 a.m. in the morning, you don't care what you're eating as long as it's greasy and food.
Okay, so this is Matt's. That's how you know the pizza's cooked. It's a flop.
Which one's better now?
Honestly, they're like, it's a different flavor, but like, I don't know.
Yeah, yo, we can trade if you want.
Oh hell no!
No. Alright, so at the end of the day, we're still gonna box the pizza. We're hungry. We waited till 2 to eat this. But would I recommend it? Hell no. It's whatever. Like, you can honestly get the same sort of pizza from the grocery store of Hartman, heat it up, you can enjoy it. This costed, I think it was what, $13.50?
Yep.
So like, if it was like at most $8, even at that, you can still kind of justify it, but at the same time, it's like, it's whatever. But like, yeah, the only person who's really enjoying it is Remy. Follow Matthews on all his social medias. I'll put it all in the description below. Stay tuned for next week. I'm gonna drop another banger. Yeah, so comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned.